Digi Funnel Lab review and $3,000 bonus. That's right, I get the biggest bonus to Digi Funnel Lab. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and again this is my Digi Funnel Lab review. Now first of all, let me just tell you what it is and how much money you can save and how much money you can make with it, okay? This is a 3-in-1 tool. So first of all, it will create instant products for you in any niche with any keyword. So if you want to sell these products or give them away, you can do whatever you want with these. You can have a product in minutes, and then you will create a squeeze page to give it away or to sell it in literally in seconds, and also a whole funnel. So if you want to give it away for free and then have some upsells, it creates all of this literally in seconds. So I'm going to show you exactly how much money you can make with it, how much money you can save with it, because it will be an amazing low one-time price, and we're gonna just go through all of it. I'm going to do a little demo, and as always we're gonna go through the upsells. And as I mentioned at the beginning, I have $3,000 worth of bonuses for you, okay? So I have one of the biggest bonuses out there available. So let's jump into it. Let me share my screen for you, and first of all, let me show you my bonuses, okay? Because this is something that no one else will actually give you as a bonus to Digi Funnel Labs, okay? So first of all, if at any point you'll decide to pick up your copy, you can just click on this blue link right here. If you are on my blog, this will take you to the sales page, and then you can grab it. You're gonna get all of my bonuses. And if you are watching on YouTube, then just click the first link in the description. This will take you to the sales page. Now, what I'm going to give you as a first bonus is free resellers license to 3 of my own products, okay? So these are software products. So each and every single one of these licenses is currently selling for $100. You're getting all 3 for free. So resellers license to Instavid, resellers license to Traffic Trapper 2.0, and also to Traffic Extractor Ultimate, okay? So again, these are still selling for $100 each. You're getting this for free. You're getting Affiliate Traffic Lab, which is a software that generates traffic in any niche. Now you're getting 5 done for you campaigns. Now this is something that I actually sell as an OTO to my own products. You're getting all of this for free. Now let me just script through this. All of these are W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses. $500 CPA every day, $200 cash hack, $300 CPA every day, the CPA coffee shop method, instant traffic jacker. We got $2,000 CPA traffic jacker, commission magnet, commission toolbox, CPA daily, pure profit, WP video, viral click. That's more bonuses for you. These are all softwares. Affiliate advantage, image plus, list building expert, e-course, publishing tips, speedly content publishing tips, SlideShare. You're gonna get all of these softwares as well. So Affiliate Advantage, Plugin Giant, Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueText, IX, Popbox, Sales Bar, and Shortcode. Now that's a total of 32 bonuses, but I'm not done because I'm going to give you my mega bonus on top of it, okay? So my mega bonus is 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses. You can check it out. But first of all, let me just tell you that this will be a total of $3,075. Okay, so my mega bonus, again, this is 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses. Now, again, this is my bonus. This is $3,000 worth of products, software, plugins, W's of the day awarded courses. It's all for free for you. And again, if at any point you'll decide to pick Digi Funnel Lab through my link, you just click on one of these blue links on my blog, and you can snatch your copy with an early bird. But right now, let me show you exactly how much money you can make, even if you are a complete newbie, if you don't know how to monetize these pages, these products, etc. You can just go to Fiverr and check how much money people are making just by offering a simple service, okay? So if you're gonna do nothing else but use this software to sell a simple service on Fiverr, you can make $20, $25, $35 per gig, okay? So as you can see, this guy says I will create like a WordPress page or a squeeze page for $20. This guy says I will create landing or squeeze page WordPress website in 6 hours, $25. And as you can see, people are selling tens if not hundreds of these. You know, this guy says I will design landing page or squeeze page, 680 gigs sold for $15. Now this is something that you can generate literally in seconds because you are using templates. So you're just getting the information from the buyer, you're plugging it into the template, and then you're sending the squeeze page to the buyer. That's it. So this is if you want to just make some quick cash creating these for other people. Obviously you can create these for yourself. Now before we're gonna jump into the sales page, I just wanted to show you some alternative. Obviously ClickFunnels is one of the biggest funnel creator out there, but it's quite expensive. It will cost you $97 per month or $297 per month, depending if you want the 20 funnels per month or unlimited funnels per month. Now with Digi Funnel Lab you are getting all of this, but for the one-time price of less than $27. So it just doesn't compare. Obviously ClickFunnels, it's super advanced if you are an advanced marketer and you really need all of the functionalities. Then you can just pay $300 per month. But the thing is, if you're only starting out, you probably don't need all of these additional features, and you'll be fine with Digi Funnel Lab alone for a one-time price. So save some money. I'm actually using Optimized Press, which is a one-time price, but still I paid $300 for it. So they have the core version for $97, Publisher for $197, and Pro for $297. This is a one-time price, but it is still much more expensive than Digi Funnel Lab, which will be a one-time price of less than $27. I'm gonna go through all the early bird pricing as well for you. So again, Digi Funnel Lab, as you can see, the headline will say build highly profitable digital products and sales funnels in 60 seconds and build your email list at the same time. Zero tech skills required, zero monthly fees, very important, 100% newbie friendly. So again, you'll be creating digital products in seconds, then also sales funnel in seconds, and obviously this will be all including squeeze pages and thank you pages and everything else. All of this is done for you, okay? So let's start scrolling down. Obviously Glynn, the guy behind the course, the method, has tons of proof, tons of testimonials. This is for anyone that wants to make money online. So again, a squeeze page that converts will cost you $500, a giveaway product $700, a backend product $1,000 plus, a sales page $1,500. So if you would like to outsource all of it, you would spend like $4,000. But with Digi Funnel Lab you can do it yourself from templates and save thousands of dollars, and even you get it much faster. Okay, so a free win-one tool, again, digital product creator, done for you sales funnel creator, and with all the squeeze page and thank you pages being done for you. So I'm gonna have a little demo right here. Again, Digi Funnel Lab, and this is my Digi Funnel Lab review. Obviously this works with GetResponse, MailChimp, Aweber, Infusionsoft, Market Hero for the list building aspect. Obviously you can build the list or not, totally up to you, but if you'll decide to do so, then obviously you can make a ton of money. Some more testimonials, just scrolling down. Obviously you can go through all of this in your own time. Very important, 30 days money back guarantee as always, and we have a couple of prices. So the light version and the pro version, as you can see, the light version will be $19.97, which is just crazy, especially if you compare it to ClickFunnels, which is $97 per month. Or for the $21.97 you're getting the pro version, and as you can see, you have all of these functionalities right here. A little FAQ in the end. That's essentially it when it comes to the sales page, and the inside of the members area looks like this. So first of all, I just wanted to show you the training. So obviously a part of the software, you're getting all of the training step by step, everything that you need in a video format. So you will know exactly how to use the software, how to make money with it, and how to essentially get results as fast as possible. So we have the overview, creating your product, creating the cover, adding it to the system, creating your funnel, connecting up the email, connecting up the payment processor, and that's essentially, it's a super simple process. And again, 99% of it is already done for you. All you have to do is just hook it up, decide what kind of a product you want, and just go from there. Now let's go through all of the functionalities. As you can see, we have the dashboard right here. We have the e-cover creator. So obviously you will need to create an e-cover for your newly created course, and just the e-cover, if you're gonna outsource it, can be like $5, $10, $25, so right here you are saving time and money. So we have the e-cover creator. As you can see, super simple. I'm not going to actually create an e-cover or any funnels right now, but I'm going to have a full demo for you both on my YouTube channel and on my blog. Okay, I just wanted to go through all of the functionalities in this review video. Okay, then we have the create ebook. As you can see, you can create ebooks from articles. You can create it manually from a URL. You can upload an ebook that is already done for you if you already have it, and you can also choose from done for you ebooks. So you're actually getting a huge library of done for you products that you can just plug in. Maybe create a new e-cover, put your name on it, and you are done. So then we have the library. Within the library, again, you're getting you're going to be able to access all of the products that you already created. My products, my funnels. Then you have the done for you funnels. Obviously, as I told you, this is 99% done for you. So you get the done for you products, done for you funnels, done for you pages. So you can use them as is, or you can just edit them, or you can just create your own. So you have all of these done for you funnels and a number of different niches. So improving SNP, confident, launching your own product, traffic blueprint, first time affiliate, how to make money online, hair loss, weight loss, productivity, sleep, and a test funnel as well. Okay, so this is exactly what you are getting. Again, you are getting video training on top of it as well. It's super simple, and again, I'm going to have a full demo both on my blog and on my YouTube channel, so you can check it all out in your own time. And right now, let's go through the pricing and all of the upsells. Okay, so Digi Funnel Lab will be going live on August 25th. That's a Sunday, and that's actually my birthday. So if you'll decide to pick it up through my link, I'm going to treat it as my birthday present. So thanks so much. And as you can see, from 9 a.m. Eastern to 3 p.m. Eastern, it will be only $29.95. That's the Pro version. Obviously, you have the Lite version as well. Then from 3 p.m. Eastern to midnight, it will be $23.97. So you really have to show up early to snatch it for just $21.97. And then the price will be going up to $25.97 on Monday. And obviously, then after the initial launch period, the price will be skyrocketing. Okay. So if you want to pick it up for just $21.95 or $19.97 for the Lite version, make sure to show up at 9 a.m. Eastern on Sunday, the 25th of August. Then we have Digi Funnel Lab Unlimited for $97. That's OTO number 1. In a second, I'm going to tell you exactly what this is. OTO number 2, $97. Done for you funnels. OTO number 3, automated traffic flow for $97. OTO number 4, conversion boosting tools, $67. OTO number 5, bonus page builder, $67. And OTO number 6, license rights, $197. And guys, I have all of this right here on my blog, so I have the full breakdown for you if you want to just dive deep into it. So again, OTO number 1, Digi Funnel Lab Unlimited. This is the unlimited version of the app that allows you to create unlimited funnels, products, give you unlimited storage, additional templates, more money-making features. Okay. OTO number 2, Digi Funnel Lab, done for you funnels. So these are done for you funnels completed with landing pages, thank you pages, high quality products already made for you. You just have to integrate your autoresponder and add your payment processor. Okay. Then we have audio number 3, Digi Funnel Lab automated traffic flow, which essentially allows you to put your Google Pixel and Facebook Pixel on top converting pages from Glynn and just siphon the traffic out, okay? Then we have audio number 4, Digi Funnel Lab conversion boosting tools. So these are additional tools that will help you to make even more money, perfect for affiliates. And you'll be able to add your Facebook ads pixel to your funnel pages, Facebook comments, and also a Facebook ad chat widget, okay? Now, audio number 5, Digi Funnel Lab bonus page builder. So this software creates stunning bonus pages. So obviously you can create squeeze pages and thank you pages with the main product, but if you want bonus pages, that's additional feature. That's an additional feature, audio number 5. And then audio number 6, Digi Funnel Lab license rights, and this essentially allows you to sell Digi Funnel Lab and all of the products in the funnel as your own and keep 100% of the profit to yourself. Okay, so again, on my blog I have a full breakdown together with the bonuses, so check it all out. If you're watching on YouTube, click the second link in the description. The first link will take you directly to the sales page. And guys, I really like this product, especially the fact that it will save you a ton of money on other tools. So normally, you know, a squeeze page builder, a funnel, a creator, and something that will create your products, these are 3 separate tools. You're getting these 3 tools in one for a super low price of under $27. So make sure to show up early. Again, the 25th of August at 9 AM Eastern is when Digi Funnel Lab goes live, and it's my birthday, so I would really appreciate if you would use my link. I'm gonna give you $3,000 worth of bonuses, and you know, just as a thank you, and you know, I really appreciate if you will use my link. If you have any questions, you can always leave me a comment on my YouTube channel or on my blog. Please give it a like on YouTube, and I will be seeing you shortly in the next video. Ciao.